Hey fashionistas! Welcome back to my Jewel Diary, the go-to spot for all things fabulous. And today, we're about to embark on a style journey with 10 ways to wear a little black dress. Get ready for some major fashion inspo and outfit ideas that will have you slaying in every situation, kicking things off with a bang classic elegance. We're talking pearls, sleek heels, and a bold red lip. The timeless allure of a little black dress never looked so sophisticated. Let's dive in. Elevate your grace with this timeless ensemble. Ready to hit the streets? Our second stop is all about street style vibes. Throw on an edgy leather jacket, statement boots, and oversized sunglasses. Street chic, here we come. Effortless, edgy, and oh so stylish. Now let's infuse some boho bliss into your little black dress. Think fringed shawls, floppy hats, and ankle boots. It's time to embrace the carefree and free-spirited side of fashion. Effortless, bohemian chic, perfect for any day out. Sleek and modern takes center stage with our fourth look minimalist marvel. Clean lines, monochromatic accessories, and a structured bag for the ultimate sophistication. Let's keep it simple, yet stunning. Less is more, but in the cheapest way possible. Ready to get your hands dirty? Our fifth stop is DIY couture. Add unique touches to your little black dress. Think embellishments, patches, and stylish belts. It's time to unleash your inner designer, because your little black dress deserves a touch of couture. Lights, camera, action. Our sixth look is all about red carpet glam. Sparkling statement jewelry, strappy heels, and a clutch that demands attention. You're red carpet ready. Who says you can't bring the red carpet to your everyday life? Let's take it down a notch with our seventh look. Casual chic. Throw on a denim jacket, white sneakers, and a cute backpack for a relaxed yet stylish vibe. Perfect for a day out with friends or a casual date. Effortlessly chic, because comfort never looked this good. Time to conquer the boardroom with our eighth look, corporate chic. Layer your little black dress with a tailored blazer and sophisticated pumps. Who says workwear can't be stylish? Because power dressing just got a stylish upgrade. Comfort meets style in our ninth look, athleisure fusion. Pair your little black dress with trendy sneakers and a sporty jacket. Athleisure has never been this chic. Who said sporty can't be stylish? And finally, let's adapt to the seasons with our 10th look, seasonal switch. Layer up with cozy knits and knee-high boots for winter warmth, or go for a floral shawl and sandals for a breezy summer look. Versatility is key, because your little black dress is a wardrobe chameleon. There you have it, 10 ways to wear a little black dress. Which style are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. If you love these outfit ideas, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more fashion inspo. Until next time, stay fabulous, and keep slaying in your little black dress.